A few moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sebelumnya perkenalkan, nama saya Maulidah Husnul Khatimah. Di sini saya akan menyampaikan hasil analisis jurnal yang berjudul The Contribution of Students Linguistic Intelligence, The Words Reading Comparison, guna untuk memenuhi tugas keterampilan bahasa Indonesia. Result and discussion. After analyzing some qualified journal as the data of this research, the researcher found some results as follows. Fritz Mujana et al. Found that there was significant correlation between linguistic intelligence and the student's academic activity. It was proven by the result of the correlation coefficient with 0.662, which means there was a quite strong relation between students' linguistic intelligence and academic advancement. The participants of the study was English Education Department students. It also found that linguistic intelligence gives strong evidence of student English skills, including reading comprehension. It can be scanned from the data the linguistic intelligence gives for 5 events on academic evaluation. Moreover, the research also found that emotional intelligence showed a weak effect on the student's activity rather the linguistic intelligence. It can be said that linguistic intelligence gives significant contribution towards student activation in English education reading comparison. Actually, many students also instead the same result of the study, specified in reading comparison. In other words, the student linguistic intelligence more give contribution towards student academic excellence and the emotional intelligence. Sconrelmi et al. Recommend that linguistic intelligence become a strong predictor of students' reading comprehension. Then the participant of the student was 90 Iran student who took English major. Practically speaking, it also not the linguistic intelligence was related with student cognition, which was involved in the discussion in reading comparison. It also found the linguistic intelligence predicting the student reading proficiency because intelligence and cognition are part of comprehension. It means that linguistic intelligence is very external in linguistic learning because it's an element in reading activity. As it was discussed above, it improved for the teacher to make the classroom activity that is more influencing the students. Linguistic intelligence shows that they can improve the ability is using language. Treat the student that was conditioned by Dewi it shows that linguistic intelligence gives positive influence on student reading comprehension. Besides, the participant of the student West Indonesia student as climate that the student who and good linguistic intelligence that had I got reading comprehension. Because English language variable of linguistic intelligence give contribution in improving the students' reading comprehension ability. It was read with the proficient student that linguistic intelligence based on the feature that prediction the students successful in learning a language because it elevates the students' comparative processes. In addition, it also found some in the short of students' linguistic intelligence in reading activity frees the student level at rate. Second, the student of Sparks with the have reading, they were good at spelling friends. Next, they like placing word games and prompts the student can capture box collection. Also, they can remember general college, cuts and words, excellency next day can explain and interpret what they have read earlier. Let's the student had got knowledge about language as based on the instruction. It can be sent the head student when has dominant linguistic comparison. In other words, by having a good eye reading because the intended what they have read, practical speaking, the student and the teacher should be aware about linguistic intelligence. These three can check the learning habit and learning style that is operation with their intelligence, so that interlinguistic intelligence can be improved. The teacher can create new in this teaching learning process and consisting the operation teaching material that fits with the student linguistic intelligence. First, there we will activate the threat with a significant contraction between linguistic intelligence and reading comparison. It was so from the record was, which means that linguistic intelligence gives positive influence toward reading comparison. Moreover, the writer also explained that student linguistic intelligence can be scanned through of following education, which his students can read a story or essay about their daily expression. Scan the can expression the arbitrarily. 3 times student had reading vocabulary. 4. The student enjoy in reading making of the text on as blog. New Whisper magazine ads, which the student calls the word in regulation linguistic essay. 6. The links a story. 7. The can do a storytelling. It can be inferred that the student linguistic intelligence can be scanned by there isn't in using a linguist. Besides, a learning process is correlation of us the appearance visit of the student linguistic intelligence in order to activity good reading comparison, because linguistic intelligence can require the student essential in reading comparison. Found that there was significant correlation between the student linguistic intelligence and reading comparison, with the data showed the of students reading comparison was influenced by the students. Linguistic intelligence was main linguistic intelligence have contribution to reading comparison. The participant of student half of Indonesia student is also maintain the student. Reading comparison will be improved if their linguistic intelligence instead. As it was, discussion about the student reading comparison can be improved if the develop their linguistic intelligence, because it can help them in assessing the linguistic efficiency. Thus, it is impression for the students to develop their linguistic intelligence by following some activity that relates with linguistic learning. For example, by reading a lot, writing a story and retell the story, also playing the words games. 6. Hasanuddin and Fitraningsih found that 3 were come education of linguistic intelligence of student in reading subject. First, the student had excellent know in when motivation words count as the can express the word in his mean use by reading the title of the box. Second, the student will enjoy word the play for expression in doing the Starburst games. He can answer the question and argue the word's contraction. 3. Tie and explain the meaning of the word the tie. Have read and discussion. It found most students will have discussion in mathematics lesson, the private English, social, and history lesson, the mathematics. Thus, data show the they only answer the mathematics quotation wrongly, because it was diffusion for them. They also provide reading stories. First, in doing the contribution, the or said some words in relation to something they have read and heard before as the word that they had found head. Classmates and this word the child had read for at least 6. The student has the ability in writing the property based on the personal expression. In lead with the reading above, the introduction of linguistic intelligence can be seen taught the student expression in learning process. However, it can be inferred that these students were finding good linguistic intelligence to have conversing characteristics because they can be from and read in front of their classmates. In contrast, Bisset and Elindia et al. It was founded 3 was a minimum number of students who had dominant linguistic intelligence of the student Bisset in preparation of this study was Indonesia upgrade student also the risk mutation that the aim of this study was not for generalization, but the relation of this study was how be framed in language. The results on some aspects of the student linguistic intelligence. First aspect in relation that in their ability is using the linguistic effortlessly. 2. Because after however the results show and only 3 of 6 students will use the linguistic efficient to present answer. For instead, some students had lack of linguistic factory in preceding answer and deriving the disease is spoke and writing from. Second aspect is memory. That is the ability is memorizing the information. It was found only 2 of the students who can remember and retell the information of the story of the text that have read. 3 aspect is explanation, that is the ability in delivering the information orally and written. It was found that the students still feel this function in using descriptive and figurative language is ordered to delivering the index. Also early on student who said it will when she was open. One aspect is mutilation, that is the ability is reading the linguistic influence. It's shown that is reading class the student were activity participant in asking the question about the words that they did not familiar. From the result I can be said that is reading activity the students still had the contribution in learning a language even touch the style face diffusion in delivering their talks in spoken and written form. Let's Reza and Tabrizi found that linguistic intelligence was the most significant prediction of the student reading comprehension among the multiple intelligence types, and also found the 10 students with high linguistic intelligence were able to ask the linguistic activation the way typical got out reading, playing word games, memories, was storytelling, and making poetry. Online with the reading has been also extended. The linguistic intelligence made the strongest contribution in prediction the student reading comprehension. In other words, the students should not ignore this type of intelligence because it influences their reading comprehension. In fact, the students still not aware about the linguistic influence, how in its contribution for the teacher to give the can for the student to adopt their linguistic intelligence in classroom. For instance, be capturing a learning string that relate with playing word games and storytelling that influence the students' ability in using a language. It is also support by genre in Arnold and Fensha, who stress the easy impress the know and the love individual different types of intelligent education, linguistic intelligence, because all of the educationalists are different of the other that they have the combination of intelligence. 3. Based on the result of this research, it found and student linguistic intelligence gave significant contribution toward reading comprehension. Hence, the contribution should give more attention toward the linguistic intelligence because it helped them improve the ability in reading. Baiklah, sekian hasil analisis jurnal yang berjudul The Contribution of Students Linguistic Intelligence Towards Reading Information. Semoga bermanfaat. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.